How should the craft beer equipment be cleaned up? For a professional brewer, the requirements of draft beer equipment is very high. So cleaning craft beer equipment is an indispensable part, which can maximize the quality of beer. So how should the small and medium-sized craft beer equipment be cleaned up? There are 3 general cleaning methods for small craft beer equipment: drinking water cleaning, caustic soda cleaning and disinfection, and boiling water cleaning and disinfection. However, in the process of cleaning up, we should pay attention to the cleaning of the mashing and cleaning of the pipes. And then clean them with cold water to ensure no residual of fire and alkali. There are 3 small craft beer equipment cleaning precautions. 1. Washing the fermenter. After the beer in the fermenter is empty, it is not necessary to discharge the carbon dioxide. It can be washed twice with cold water. In that case, there is no taste of the wine in the jar. Then, before introducing the edible base, the carbon dioxide is discharged. 2. The cleaning of the hose. Most people have been habitually inferred from the outside of the plastic hose its internal situation. But this is generally not correct. This is due to the high internal regulations of the plastic hose and its difficulty in cleaning. Therefore, internal gaps and small damages cannot be detected and clarified. Plastic hoses only use alkaline cleaning. But air oxidation acids such as sodium cyanide and copper ions will accelerate the embrittlement of plastic hoses. So be aware that hoses and copper tubes cannot be flushed together at the same time. 3. Removal of beer stones. As time goes by, all parts of the container that touch the beer will inevitably cause beer stones. If it is not cleaned in time, it will provide a good shelter for the bacteria. The preferred way to remove the beer stone is to dilute the nitric acid or phosphoric acid. If the equipment is not cleaned, it will not only cause the beer to taste bad, but also cause the beer to be oxidized and moldy, which will cause damage to economic development. Therefore, in order to brew a good beer, we must first ensure the hygiene of beer equipment.